apply tape all over so it's easier to clean up, so the broken glasses can stick together. And now you can start cutting the glass out with a cold knife. Show me the cold knife.
Okay, you guys want to test the glass?
Make sure you apply the glue taller than the body a little bit, so it's almost an inch. You want the glue to be taller so it can bond well with the glass. We apply the glue a bit away from the frame because of the design. You don't want to apply the glue too close to the edges here. Otherwise, it may not bond with the glass well. So now we're gonna apply the glass. Carefully apply the glass. Kind of match it first. Pull it to the top first. Align the top first. We put a tape on the glass so you can quickly hold the glass with the blue tape. And now you can adjust the glass. As you can see, when you put the glass on, the glass is higher. So now is the time to adjust the glass to even out with the body.